The soil is a mixture of materials such as organic compound, water particle, very small rock, microorganism, and decomposed dead matter. Sometimes, due to some unforeseen reason, the soil starts to expand or swell or can have unexpected of the settlements or can collapse. Due to some reason, the structure of soil fabric can also change, thus altering the strength of soil. All of this can create a lot of problem for construction point of view. The soil cannot be used for construction purpose and thus need some improvement technique. Such soil are known as problematic soil. There are two types of problematic soil, chemical soil and physical soil. Landslide is also problematic soil. A landslide is defined as the movement of a mass of rock, debris or earth down a slope due to gravity. The material may move by falling, toppling, sliding, spreading, or flowing. Landslides are serious geologic hazard common in most countries of the world. Globally, landslides cause $1 billion in damage and thousands of deaths and injuries each year. There are number of definitions of landslide range from geomorphic further and process in encompass. Graden defined landslide as the movement of mass of rock, debris, or earth down a slope under the influence of gravity. Landslides are also explained by Keller as mass wasting, a comprehensive term for any type of down slope movement of earth material.
Landslides occur when gravity overcomes the frictional force, keeping the layers to break in place on the slope. The ground we stand on is made of layers of different rock and other materials. Often a weak geological layer, for example fragile layer of shale, will form a failure plane which makes a slope unstable. The most material on top of the plane can be held in place by frictional lane. If something happens to disturb the balance, can cause the top of layer of soil can slide away. Heavy rains is common cause of landslide. The water adds weight to the upper layer and resulting mark at the lubricants. The actual weight immerse the friction can cause the upper layer to slide away. Deforestation can contribute to the landslide too. A network of tree roots will hold in place, but if the trees are removed, the tree root and the land become liable to slip. Earthquake can also contribute to landslide. As the ground layer are shaken, the upper layer of rock can become sludge. If possible to support unstable ground by drilling low metal bolt to the deep of bedrock to hold the upper layer in place. Some landslides happen extremely slowly, making building unstable as the ground beneath creep over many years.
Bioengineering technique is a useful approach to prevent landslides as they improve slope stability and maintain ecological balance. Understanding the roles of vegetation helps in proper implementation of the procedures, selection of such suitable plants, and also the method used. The soil stability is driven by two major properties of plants, which are mechanical and hydrological. Bioengineering in our context refers to the use of plants in order to enhance the stability of hill slopes primarily against shallow-seated landslide features. Vegetation is the fundamental part of the soil bioengineering technique. It plays a vital role in increasing the slope stability. The figure shown is an illustration of a tree with shrubs and grass on the ground surface. Roots of ground covers, such as shrub and grass, hold the soil and protect the soil surface from being washed away by heavy rainfall. They also help to maintain the absorptive capacity of soil, slow down the velocity of runoff, and also act as a filter to catch sediments. Vegetation like trees balance the process of absorption and evapotranspiration. Tree roots stabilize the slope by holding the soil layers together.
Concrete walls made of timber are a specialized form of gravity-retaining structure using on-site fill material, held within a constructed framework. Vegetated clay walls provide a combination of the benefit of immediate protection with the long-term advantages of vegetation for stabilization. Once the plant becomes established, the subsequent vegetation gradually takes over the structural function of the wood member. Species used for the soil conservation properties should meet the following criteria. First, pioneer plant character. That means plants grow rapidly on the degraded land, landslide, gullies, and the new road slope. Second, dense and deep rooting system which add strength to the surface soil layer and increase the shear strength. Third, adventitious rooting ability and coverage resistance. And fourth, fast and simple propagation, such as cutting and the application in the dormant season.
In conclusion, every engineer will focus to landslide in construction site. Landslide will happen if the engineer take easy on sloping area and the soil strength. Many sites in Malaysia happen with this landslide problem because of humidity, soil strength, water particles, rainfall, snowmelt, change in water level, and earthquakes. The engineer must take to solve the problem with the landslide. To prevent death of people or workers, retaining wall is one of the ways to prevent slope erosion.